Ever grappled with the challenge of creating a responsive layout in HTML5? Or perhaps you've been stumped by the task of embedding audio and video files directly into your web pages. These are but a few examples of the common issues that might arise when working with HTML5. In the next 7 minutes, we will be delving into some practical solutions to these problems and more. We'll be presenting a handful of clever HTML5 hacks, each one a step-by-step guide designed to streamline your web development process and help you overcome these hurdles with ease. First off, consider the challenge of building a responsive layout. HTML5 introduced new semantic elements that can make your code easier to read and maintain. However, to make the layout responsive, you'll need to incorporate CSS3 media queries into your code. Begin by defining your HTML5 semantic elements such as header, nav, section, and footer. Then, utilize CSS3 media queries to set the appropriate styles for different viewport sizes. This will ensure your layout adjusts appropriately across a range of devices. Next up, embedding audio and video files into your web pages. HTML5 made this task simpler by introducing the audio and video elements. To embed an audio or video file, simply use the relevant element and specify the source file in the src attribute. Remember to include controls attribute so users can play or pause the media directly from your web page. Moving on to another common challenge, ensuring your website is accessible to users with disabilities. HTML5 offers built-in accessibility features, but they must be used correctly. Start by using the correct HTML5 semantic elements, which help screen readers understand the structure of your page. Next, always include alt text for images and use the label element to provide descriptions for form inputs. Finally, let's tackle the issue of optimizing your website for search engines. HTML5 introduced new semantic elements which, when used correctly, can help improve your website's SEO. Start by using the correct elements to structure your content, such as header, nav, main, and footer. Also, remember to include meta tags in your head section to provide search engines with information about your page. In summary, the hacks we've discussed today involve using HTML5 semantic elements and CSS3 media queries to create responsive layouts, embedding audio and video files with the audio and video elements, using HTML5's built-in accessibility features to make your website more accessible, and optimizing your website for search engines using HTML5 semantic elements and meta tags. So the next time you find yourself grappling with these common HTML5 challenges, remember these hacks. They're designed to help you work smarter, not harder, and to make your web development process as smooth and efficient as possible.